So we are going to multiply and divide rationals. Now I've given you the steps to multiply and then divide. With dividing, the steps are the same as multiplying. The only change is that you have to do a keep change flip. So I'm going to show you this example here. It is a division problem. So I do the keep change flip first. So I'm going to keep the first, change to multiplication, and then flip the second one. And at this point now it becomes just a multiplication. So we want to factor first. Let's see, so I can factor a 3 out of the top over here, so that will give me x minus 5. I can factor a 2 out of the second numerator, and that will give me x minus 5. And then x squared minus 25 is a difference of squares. So x squared is a perfect square of x, 25 is a perfect square of 5. So it factors to x plus 5 and x minus 5. Now we can combine our fractions. We can multiply straight across. So we got 3 times 2, which is 6, x minus 5 times x minus 5 over 4 times x plus 5 times x minus 5. Now you can cancel something that's the same on both top and bottom. So one of the x minus 5s will cancel. And then we can reduce 6 over 4. So both are multiples of 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 4 twice. So this will reduce to 3 times x minus 5 over 2 times x plus 5. That's your final answer.